In today's connected world, successful global trade requires more than simply moving products. T-IMOEXO International empowers businesses with reliable, transparent, and end-to-end import-export solutions. We connect businesses with trusted manufacturers, suppliers, and global buyers through intelligent product sourcing. Our expertise covers key sectors including agriculture, medical devices, IT hardware, and packaged food. Every product is carefully evaluated for quality, documentation, and compliance with international trade requirements. From import-export documentation and HS code advisory to custom support, we help simplify every stage of the process. Our team coordinates international logistics to support secure handling, smooth shipment movement, and timely delivery. With a trusted global network, we help Indian businesses reach new markets and international buyers source dependable products. Reliable sourcing, transparent communication, and complete trade coordination, all through one trusted partner. Expand your business beyond borders with TImoexo International, your trusted partner in global trade. Your product, our network.